Hey, welcome back. Need a NordVPN coupon code to save some money? I will give you a coupon code. Check out the price one time. I enter the coupon code and hit enter. As you can see, by entering the coupon code, I save $23. So, are you going to do it? What you're going to do is click the link in my video description, and it will redirect you to the website. Here, you're going to click on the copy button. After that, you will come to the official NordVPN website. Because you click my link, you will get an extra 75% off and 3 months extra. I click on Get NordVPN. My coupon code works with every kind of plan. Whichever one you want to go for, I will show you with the complete plan. I click on Get Complete. After some loading, you can check out the price. I click on Got a coupon code, enter my code, and as you can see, I save money. So you can do this too. Now, we will talk about why you should use NordVPN. NordVPN offers top-tier security with military-grade encryption to protect your online privacy. It allows you to access geo-restricted content from anywhere in the world by connecting to over 5,000 servers. With blazing fast speeds, it ensures seamless streaming and downloading without any buffering. You can choose between the standard, plus, or complete plans depending on your specific digital security needs. Ultimately, it provides the best overall value for securing your data across multiple devices.